As your body relaxes and you allow the tensions to leave your form, slipping into the state of such relaxation that the space around you begins to blend with your body, losing sight, losing thought of form, floating, blended with the energy that is all, the air, the room, all things blending. And you breathe. Relaxing further. And as you do, your mind is aware, expanded, open and flowing as the consciousness, beyond form, beyond matter, into the abyss that is all, the everything, the unity of one expanded. And gravitating, pulling up out of your form, blending with the space around you, the ethers, the life force, the waves and currents of energy, electric light. All in physicality is created from, and you flow. You flow, taking in newness and expansion, the all that you are, as light, as high frequency. Your mind as consciousness is expanded. The healing essence of life force flows through your form as your consciousness branches out, spreading as the floating on water, and breathing, knowing with such clarity, I am safe here. I am safe. I am secure. I am peace. And as you stay in this expanded space, blending evermore, your body naturally rejuvenating, the vibrations of the cells, the molecules and atoms, down to the core as light, as energy, as sound, frequency moving through, restoring in divine measure and health, restoring in high tone, surrender, relaxing, blended, and flowing. And as you drift, as you breathe, as your consciousness is blended, bring your awareness to the knowing that within your root chakra energy center, there is balance and harmony that occurs. It is blessed and whole, aligned with highest light and wholeness, and flowing up behind and slightly below your navel. Your second energy center is aligned with the highest light and perfect health and stability in the earth plane. Healing occurs. And you are safe here. I am safe always. I am one with the all, its source. And as you flow, as you surrender, so you become aware that just above and slightly behind your navel, the energy center is balanced as the light flows through, as the frequencies peak. And you are secure, you are blessed. I am safe, always. And rising still to the center of your chest, the middle of your form, your heart emotional center radiates such love and high frequency, melting away anger and pain and disease and turmoil and hardship. And rising from your chest into your throat, through the front and the back of your body, through your mouth, the light shines brilliant, brilliant hues and radiance as the energy centers align with a high frequency, removing dis-ease, and from the center of your head, your brain, your forehead, and back of head, light in every direction as a halo of light, creating, restoring clarity in thinking, creating new function, ways in which you view the world through the lens of self and unconditional loving nature. And rising out from the center top of your head, the light flows as a fountain, and aligning with the highest vibration of love that you are. And as you envision, as you connect through your core of physical body, through your consciousness, as life flows, so each and every energy center, the skin, your flesh, your organs, every single atom and nuclei, down to the smallest particle, vibrate in harmonic frequency with divine love. And allow yourself to float, to stay in the space as long as you like, absorbing, floating, blending and knowing that you are a being of energy. You are life, divine. And taking in that knowledge, the wisdom and awareness of your high self flowing through every cell, every layer, and every aspect making up who and what you are. And when you are ready, stretching, holding in alignment your mind, your consciousness, your emotion, and body with the harmonic vibrational frequencies of divine light in which you are in whole. Shalom. Peace be, and practice often.